One of my friends asked me in a conversation the other day how to get photos um, out of layouts. If you wanted to grab a photo off the web of something and it's inside a little viewer, and he showed me an example, and it also came up with me then the next day or the next couple days. So I thought I'd do a little tutorial how this is done. I have a Gretsch streamliner with P90s in it, claret color, and so I did a search on Google for that, and then I went to images here and it brought up the various different images, and I wanted a nice shot of the guitar with a white background where I could see all of the guitar. I didn't want something slanted or with a background like this up here. So I noticed this one here on Guitar Center's website, so I go here, I click on it, and this very issue that my friend had asked me about came up. So I would like to get, look at all the detail that's in here. This is the shot that I'd like to get, but I'd like to get a big version. I would like to get the one that's showing up in this window, right? Well, when you go in here and you click copy, it copies a tiny little version of this. I'll pull this up in Photoshop and show you. So I'm going to do a create new just so you'll see what I get. And you'll see it's going to be a 500 by 500 pixel image, which is way too small. I want something bigger than that. So I'm going to close that. Don't save. I'm going to go back over here. And so the only way that I know of that you can do it is you're going to go to where this is. Now I'm in Google Chrome, so you'd want to use Google Chrome when you do this. Not like they probably could do it in different browsers, but I'm going to use Google Chrome. I'm going to do a right click, and I'm going to do an inspect. And so it's going to show me the actual link to that image, and not that one, this one here, I believe. I want the full-sized image, this HTTPS. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to double click on that, and you see when I double clicked on it, it just copies. See, it looks like it's a 2000 by 2000 pixel image here. So when I double clicked on that, it highlights just that portion that you want. I'm going to do a Command C on my Mac. Command C. Then I'm going to go over here. I'm going to Command V this. First of all, I'm going to highlight the URL, Command V. Hit that, and look what happens. There we go. Now I've got the full-sized image. Now I can right-click on this and say Copy Image. And I can go over here to my Photoshop and create new. You see now it says it's going to be 2000 by 2000. Say create. Command V, and there we go. Now I can zoom in and look at it like I look at 100% or actual pixels. You see there's plenty of detail here on this one, right? So that's really cool. That is how you can go in to a page that has an embedded photo inside one of these little windows, and then go get it. You just got to know what you're looking for. And so you can see here that they're going to display this at 500 by 500 inside this little window. So that's all it's going to give you unless you actually go into the inspector and find the larger image. Now they might not have it titled like this 2000 by 2000. But if you've got an image in there that will blow up, then you know that image really does exist. You just have to find out where it is. And this is a cool tool that you have access to through Google Chrome to be able to find those kind of images. And once you're through, if you want to close it, you close it up. And that's exactly how you can go in there and grab those things. I could have done it for this image just as well. I went here, hold over it again, right click, and say inspect. And here again is my area, and there's the 2000 by 2000. I'm going to double click anywhere on that, I can the HTTPS or anywhere along the name here. And there it's copied. Command C. I'll copy that, I go over here to another window, paste it into the URL area, and there we go, there's the other one. So I copy this one, go back to the same, just put it on a different layer, Command V, and now I've got that one at full resolution too. Pretty sweet. Check that out, folks. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like.